Tennant Company, a leader in creating innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you the T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber, the most powerful scrubber in its class. Cleaning with a T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber increases productivity, provides health and safety benefits, and simplifies maintenance, all with a low cost to clean. The 17-inch 430mm cleaning path is perfect for cleaning small, congested spaces. Simplify maintenance with a squeegee system that never needs adjustment. With the industry's most simplified controls, just power on and activate the triggers. Unique storage and transport features make this scrubber perfect for small areas and route cleaning. Ergonomic adjustable safety trigger handle improves operator comfort. Reduce operator contact with recovery water and prevent clogged hoses and drains with a convenient debris tray. Save money and prevent premature battery failure with the optional HydroLink. Clean and dry small congested areas in one pass. Reduce mold, bacteria, and odors with easy-to-clean hygienic solution and recovery tanks. Pad Assist helps move the scrubber forward and reduce operator fatigue. The scrubber provides the highest level of cleanliness with 50 pounds, 23 kilograms of down pressure, and 230 RPM agitation. Quiet 68 dBA sound level enables anytime cleaning. Save time and simplify maintenance with tool-free squeegee replacement. Designed to provide optimal sight lines for improved safety. Optional onboard charger eliminates the need to transport machines to a dedicated charging location. Keep your T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber operating at peak performance by using only Tennant True parts and service. Tennant True parts are designed specifically to fit your T2 scrubber, delivering long life, high performance, and durability. Tennant's T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber, providing exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced cost to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use and maintain battery-powered scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.